The stage when I did now, I've been cracking joke for 27 years. If there is anything I hold Nigeria, is anything I hold Africa, is anything I hold myself, the talent that I cannot use to impact my immediate environment is a wasted gift. Put me on camera. Put me on camera. Look at the primaries. You tell me the Northern man is our problem? No. Look at the primary. They know from the beginning. The Northerners know. They are going to present two candidates to us. Either Jonathan or two Northerners. That's it. What is wrong? Stop making me feel that the Northern man is our problem. They are not. Yoruba man not be our problem. Igbo man not be our problem. Today now, how do they call him? Tinubu, Osinbajo, Fayemi, they run for presidency. Who is doing us? They go divide the vote again for the Tinubu. Then a Northern man will take over. When they share money within themselves, they not tell me say that they are problem. When they make laws, they not tell me say that they are problem. It's not our problem. Our problem is let us put ourselves together, and when they give you posts, sir, when they give you posts, work for the society, work for the people, work for those that sent you to represent them. Don't try to paint the president. And I will say it here, sir. I will say it here. I'm not a fan of Buhari. I mean, they criticize and pass. But after the end sacks, I fell in love with him. Truly, the palliative was shared to you people. But did you distribute it? No! Area! You talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let me talk.